You have been lied to, because most people think the path to wealth is some combination of inheritance, lottery tickets or going viral on TikTok. But here's the truth. After your first $100,000, your net worth starts compounding like crazy. I'm gonna show you exactly why that is with real numbers and most importantly, how you can get there faster than most people ever do. Charlie Munger, a billionaire investor and Warren Buffett's legendary partner said, "Your first 100K is a bitch. But you gotta do it, I don't care how you do it, just get there." And the reason he said that, because everything gets easier after your first 100K. Not just emotionally, but mathematically. Money stops working with you and starts working for you. So here's the data to prove it. Let's say you invest $833 per month, that's about 10K per year in a simple S&P 500 index fund, with an average 7% annual return. Here's how long it would take you to hit each milestone. The first 100K is going to take 7.8 years, the next 100K 5.1 years, then 3.8 years, then only 3 years, and then just 2.5 years to go from 400K to 500K. And eventually when you reach your first million, over 70% of that money will come from compounding interest and not your own contributions. Let me say that again, your wealth wasn't built by working harder, it was built by letting your dollars work smarter. And that's why the 100K threshold matters so much. It's the turning point from grinding to growing. So, if this is such a game changer, why don't more people collect their first 100K and start growing? There are actually three big reasons. Low income in early life, because in your 20s you are most likely not earning that much. The second one, lack of financial knowledge. People just don't understand how compounding interest actually works. And the third one, lifestyle inflation. As people make more money, you spend more on a new car, fancy apartment or $14 smoothies, whatever. Plus, let's be real, we live in a culture of instant gratification. Everyone wants it now and not in 10 years. But here's the thing, if you can delay gratification just a little bit longer than most, you're putting yourself in the top 10% of future millionaires. So let's get tactical. Here's a three-part system to reach your first 100K as fast as possible. The first one, increase your income. Learn a high income skill, coding, copywriting, sales, video editing. Pick one and master it. Start a side hustle, freelancing, build a product and just stack up the cash. Or look for a better job proactively. The fastest raisers are the ones you negotiate by switching. Then the second step, start cutting dumb expenses. I'm not here to tell you to skip your takeaway coffee, unless you're drinking 6 a day. But you will be shocked how much leaks from your budget. For example, if you pull up your bank and credit card statements, look at the subscriptions, the services you forgot were running, look for how much you're spending on dining out, car payments you actually don't need. Ask yourself, is this helping or hurting me on my path to 100K? Just cut the fluff, funnel that savings into investments. You don't need to be a monk, just be intentional. And number 3, maximize efficiency. You know what rich people love? Keeping more of their money. Open a high yield savings account that gives you 4 to 5% per year, because it will beat your normal bank. And secondly, join my free community and course to learn tons of tricks to save and make more money with the link in bio. Also, think in percentages. Don't aim to invest $200 per month, aim to invest 20% of your income. That way, as your income grows, so does your monthly investment. And every year, on your birthday or in December, increase your contribution by 1%. That tiny change compounds massively over time. There are 3 levels: the get cash now hustles, the skill-based hustles, and the business and brands hustles. Level 1 is for people that need cash now without upfront investment or skills. For example, food delivery, DoorDash, ride sharing, online service or cashback apps, selling stuff on Facebook marketplaces, or basic freelancing. Level 2 requires a bit more experience, education or effort, but also more money and more potential. For example, video editing, copywriting, graphic design, web development, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, YouTube automation. There are so many things you can do. And level 3, we can't really call this a side hustle anymore, because it can really accelerate your growth and become your main source of income. For example, a branded YouTube channel, a podcast, an e-commerce brand, courses, tech product, software products, a digital agency, paid online communities. Also here are tons of options. And the best of all, you can start on whatever level works for you and slowly climb up the ladder over time, to eventually reach that first 100K and let the money work for you. Look, I get it. It feels slow at first, but wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly, consistently and over time. The first 100k is the hardest, but also the most important. Once you get there, your money starts snowballing. It starts building wealth on autopilot. And your future self will thank you a million times over. If this video helped you, then you will love my free community where I share next level strategies to hit your first 100k even faster with smarter systems, better habits and real examples that actually work. Until the next one.